Alejandro Mercado. I am going to present BlazeCobol. This is my project. It's a web-based learning platform, based or powered to learn COBOL and mainframe technologies. So what is this about? Well, as you know, there's we still have a lot of COBOL code out there. A lot of companies still runs COBOL on mainframes from different areas, financial sectors, insurance, government still uses COBOL, and of course they need people that learn of skills, upskills, COBOL and mainframe. So we are seeing this gap. So we are trying to help in this area. So we have this web-based platform, an editor and compilation process. No setup required, no complex settings, no, everything is pretty handy. So as you can see, we have here the editor. I can write all the code that I want here. And I can check or if everything is okay. We are going to see this green output. We can compile the code. So if everything goes okay, it's going to be successful. We have this observe button that is a very interesting point of view of the generated code. Why I say that? Because, well, sometimes developer doesn't take care too much about the performance, about the behavior of the program. It's just compile and that's it. But the observe feature that we are proposing also takes in consideration the performance, security, syscalls, and other aspects, as you can see here. So you can see how the program behaves. So you can see, well, this is the whole overview. You can see the execution time, the syscalls, the allocations. Maybe you just want to take care about the security, some vectors, or maybe some problems, the memory of even syscalls. So this is, another consideration or dimension that we are adding to the platform. The clear is just, well, to clear the code in the editor. The generate docs is, is to have the documentation, and you can copy and paste it. It's just documentation is important on each software project. So we are aware of that, and we wanted that the students also review that process and see how it's generated. And yeah, that's trying to help the learning process. We have this other option that this is the quality score, and this is more about the machine learning model that we are training. It's about the quality score about your code. So it goes in both sides. Is in each compilation we are training our model, but also suggesting you the style or performance structure that can be improved. So maybe you don't want to have it, so you can just turn on the quality score, and it gives an error. It happens. I don't know why. But I just want to mention another pretty cool feature, that this is the translation. Maybe a developer come from other programming language, and they have already knowledge of Java, Python, C# or TypeScript, so they can translate the COBOL code to Java and see, well, this COBOL can be written in Java that way, so maybe it makes sense. As you can see here, this is Java, this is the class in Java. So, and also it works in both ways. You can write Java and get COBOL, or from COBOL to Java. So the idea is just to help developers from other areas just to understand the COBOL syntaxes and in general the language. So it's going to generate an explanation, but with the Java developer in consideration. So well, and we have the same for Python, C#, and TypeScript. I am going to show pretty quickly the examples. You can see we have several levels. If you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, but you can just upload the example and you can see. This is just examples. You can try to compile it and just to learn about reading, but of course we have more interactive, no, like this one, that you are going to you have to complete the blank spaces, no, with the code, the relevant code, and well, of course, it's going to measure your track, and you can see here your progress, and also in the budget. So you are going to unlock values and unlock. So this is just like a gamification side of the platform, and even get some, if you want to get more serious in your learning process, you can get the certifications. We have several other features like commodities, like the footer. We have code patterns, structures, tutorials, community. But we have the learning hub. So if we have a problem right here, like, I mean, there is a problem with this code because, well, intentionally I deleted so we have a syntax error, so unexpected on end of file, so we can debug the error, or if I can find the solution by myself. But well, I can ask the AI-based assistant to give me a hand, and the companion it takes a little bit. There you go. So it's going to give you the debug, or maybe the companion that is more personalized. So it's going to be quite different because I learn in a different pace and we have different interests. So it's going to totally customize it to the students. So yeah, that's well, the learning hub can be expanded and collapsed. And I want to close this brief and quick presentation with if you feel nostalgic about the old terminals, we have this emulator of the ISPF terminal. So both ways, you can use the web-based editor previously shown, or you can use this terminal. We are going to keep track of the progress also, so you can get a badge, or a student can get a badge completing all examples or exercise right here. So that's it. That's our proposal. If you want to take a deeper look, you can go to BlazeCobol.com, and well, you can register. And well, I think that's it. Thank you very much for listening. Bye bye.